Auntie being pay ọmọọba ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ ọba ni ìyẹ́ ayaba. And there is no doubt that you are my answered prayer. I ask God for peace, for joy, for calmness, for everlasting happiness. And He brought you. You're a definition of beauty, intelligent, moral, mori, tokonleri, tubekori. I'm forever grateful to your parent for giving me the best thing that any man could ask for. You're strong, you're brilliant. You just know how to get me to do it right. And I'm grateful to God for the gift of you. Ruben, I love you. Even when you don't get to hear it every day, just know that it rings. Always, always. When I'm not saying it out, I'm saying it in my head. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. God bless you, baby.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ibo lẹ tún mú mi wá sí. Ibo lẹ tún mú ẹ wá? Obìnrin dáadáa. Àná máa mú ẹni kókó lè mọ bó ṣe ń lọ wá ṣe bàdàbàdà.
Aṣọ wo lẹ wọ̀? Iṣẹ́ tí ń ṣògùn ni.
Dídì rìn. Máa yọ ọmọ kankan. Ọmọ bó ṣe ń lọ.